Hello guys, welcome to our channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you are all good. Welcome to Kamsi Space. If this is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome and thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, do consider to subscribe, comment, like and share. For our returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for all your support. Thank you guys. You guys are so amazing watching our videos. Even when we premiere, all the people that support us, I say my God will bless you. We are still in Kamsi Space, guys. Today I want to show you how to make corn moi-moi in our local language. We call it corn moi-moi, mai oka. Ni oka ericha amichono corn from the market. So guys, I want to show you how you can make use of this corn to get moi-moi or puri. Okay, so first I'm going to remove the cob. Okay, this corn have enough seed, you know. So guys, after you are done removing it from the comb, you start to pick the seed. Okay, yeah guys, Don't make it pottery, don't make it too thick. Now I'll add red oil. It's red oil you use in making this kind of moi-moi. Add 2 cubes of seasoning and salt to taste. Please be mindful when you're adding the salt, okay? Let me taste if the salt is okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. So now I'm going to, I think it's thick. It's thick. Let me add small water again. I'm also adding liver, but I'll be putting this as I'm wrapping it in a wrapping paper. So it's time to wrap, okay? I'm using this leaf to wrap it. We call it wrapping leaf, okay? So guys, this is how I'm going to place it. Place this on top of the other and fold it this way, left hand side, and turn the other to this side. After that, you bend it over. So you have a shape, a funnel shape to put the puree, okay? So I'll now add the liver. I'm adding 3 pieces. After you have done that, you also fold it this way. See it? Okay. Keep it aside. You do the same until everything is wrapped. Yeah guys, I'm done wrapping it. Now I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. Okay, so guys, keep watching. Yeah guys, the moi-moi is ready. So you can see it's very delicious. I'm eating it already. It's very delicious. Hope you like my video. If you really do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. My Mallorca editor, I'm a chaka. Zara is going to ask me so many questions about this recipe today. Yeah, don't worry, I will give you guys feedback. Please like my video, comment, and share. See you in our next video. Zara is coming to see her.
I love this food.
Wow, Zara love Moi-Moi Oka. Yeah, this is corn puri, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. What do you say to our viewers?
Share to your family, share to your friends.
And your time starts
now.
now. See you in our next video.
Bye.